Düsseldorf. The current local time is 7:25. For your own comfort and safety, please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. At that time, you will be free to move about in the cabin and collect your personal belongings. For those passengers who would like to use their cellular telephones or other handheld electrics, it is now permissible to do so. When opening the overhead compartments, please do open these slowly as items do tend to shift in flight. On behalf of your captain and the entire flight crew, we would like to thank you for selecting Delta Airlines. We hope you have enjoyed your flight with us. As you continue to travel today in Düsseldorf or to another destination, we encourage you to fasten your seat belts. On behalf of all Delta employees worldwide, our co-chair partner Air France, and all Sky team members, we sincerely thank each and every one of you for your business. We appreciate you spending part of your Thursday and Friday with us here at Delta. And when your plans do call for air travel again, we hope that Delta Airlines will once again be your choice. We thank you so much and wish you a most pleasant good morning.